Hi, I am Mau. And I was called to do this future soulmate reading because what I am sensing is your heart has been calling out to someone you have never met. Yet their energy feels so familiar. And this reading, it's a sign. So we will be uncovering your future soulmate. We have this deck over here to take some messages, and we'll just know, what they are feeling right now, their current energy, what are the obstacles in your this connection, and the messages from them. And I have another deck, so we will start with that deck first. Okay, one card. We need more to get into your future spouse channeling message. So we have two right now. Finding century. That makes sense. Okay. And then what do we have? Great adventure. Take a risk, venture forward. Okay. So, okay, we'll read that, but first we'll take 2 to 3 more cards. Okay. Far away places. Okay, this makes a connection here. I think that, let me keep it here so you can see. Okay. So, what I'm seeing with this spread is that they are embarking on some adventure, like they are going somewhere, and um, they're taking a risk in their venture forward because they want to find a century now. So, you know what? They're very much ready to get married also because this is a sign actually. And so, what I'm saying is, this is a sign, and they are very much ready to get married with this finding century card. And then we have far away places, which very much says that they are moving somewhere far from their place, maybe getting a new job, maybe going to someplace else to establish their life. Okay, interesting. I think we need more card about them and what they want to tell you also. Okay, so we have so many beautiful cards. We have Journey by the Moonlight, we have Passion and Pleasure, and we have Protected by Angels. Journey by the Moonlight, what does it say? I think this is their message from them that we are talking about. They are telling you to believe in magic. You know, I think something moon related ritual they are doing in their life, and they are actually calling you. If you can see, this is you, and they are summoning you. They are making a century for you so that you guys can be together. And then we have passion and pleasure. Okay, this is again, I think they are imagining about honeymoon. They want to, I think moon is the theme here, at night is the theme here. They, in the full moon or in the moon, they want to enjoy their life with you, dance around, eat around. Music is there, something about music, in your life and in their life. Maybe while listening to the music, you guys are thinking about each other, and okay, and dancing also, eating food, enjoying, vacationing, or they might be in a very much vacation mood. And then we have this protected by angels. Yeah, this is, I mean, you, if you wanted a sign, you were asking about, you were asking universe about a sign, give me a sign. This is it. See, protected by angels, what else can I say? There are angels surrounding you. You might be seeing some angel messages, angel numbers in your life, and you might be feeling something also. It's not just that your soulmate calling you, but divinely protected also. It's like, this wing wrapping around you and protected with this sword. So I am sensing one more thing. Let me take few cards and then we can see miracles. See, I don't know. This is such a beautiful reading, and it did. It's doing something in my heart. It's it's like butterflies in my stomach. and my heart is just filled, brimmed with romance. Those times when there are, this what do you call this, this fireplace by side, and marshmallow in your coffee cup, or if it is raining and you're taking your tea with your cookies, or eating some fritters, or enjoying some food, that comfort feeling, this is what I'm getting, that they think that you are their comfort zone, and you think that they are your comfort zone, which is very much true. So let's take some this messages also, that the spread I've made in the back, but now it's covered by our cards. New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. Okay. Oh, this is again. So this is also protected by angels. This is the angelic sign, and angels are actually calling you. They are protecting you. There is some divine energy. If you don't believe in angels, that's okay. There is some divine energy who is protecting you. Their wings wrapped around you, because I don't know, I think you and your person both are very divinely protected, and it's warming my heart. I feel so relaxed while doing this reading, because freedom, there is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be. Okay, so let me see the image also. Oh, so I think that something. There is new beginning, we got it. So with this card, what I'm thinking, that they might be in some toxic work culture, or maybe with their toxic relatives, maybe a toxic ex also, or maybe this might be the case with you, toxic job or toxic ex or something very toxic going on, and the freedom is the key. If you have got the freedom, very good. If you have not yet find the freedom, you have to do it, because it might be the obstacle that we are talking about, right? Let me keep the card here and keep on exploring. I feel that they're watching you somehow. I don't know how. Maybe your crush, maybe you are their crush. Something with watching. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. Do what feels right. Okay. I think this is something that you can answer for me. What is something that you're hiding in your heart? Huh? They are hiding something in their heart. You are hiding something in your heart. You guys know the answer, what it is. Oh, it's a beautiful universe, sign, because butterflies, again, new beginnings, new sign, marriage, romance, love. And here also what I'm seeing is this divine form. Something related to temple or religious institution. You guys visiting religious institution, or they are visiting religious institution and they are coming towards you. Manifesting miracles. See, we got one card. I think I kept it there where miracles came. A miracle. See? So again, miracles. We are getting miracles again. So there is something about miracle that is happening. I think this relation that you guys are having, it's miraculous, and people will be very much, jealous of you too. Very much jealous of you too. And your dream is soon to become reality, because obviously, your dream is becoming reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Again, you have to trust your heart. This trusting thing is coming so much that you have to trust your heart. You have to follow the guidance of your heart. Oh, tree. I think you have to go below some tree and journal your thoughts, write about your thoughts. I think they are what doing this. I think they are manifesting in nature. Okay, balance. We will check this card just. Okay, balance. Let me pull one more card. Something from here. Okay, this one. Okay, so I'm taking this card and the balance card, because I think that balance needed something, balance kind of needed something. So let's check this card. Oh, the image is beautiful. It's like, you I guys are yin and yang, balancing each other. Okay. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. Okay. So I think that when you guys meet, there might be some challenging time, or if you have already met them. For some of you, you have already met them, and there are some challenges that you need to navigate. Okay. And I think love is already there, it's flowing, but you just have to support each other during this challenging time. Maybe when you meet now, there will be some sort of challenges, as in there will be some sort of disagreement, and you guys will not agree on something, and you guys don't want to carry the relationship. But I think this support system will work for you, and this will carry on. So after that first disagreement, this will carry on in the future, which is a promising message with this reflection card. You just have to reflect, and they also have to reflect, and this will carry on. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the, because it will work out, because there are so many messages. You guys, I don't know what you are doing, but it's working for you. Divinely protected, angelic message. You guys have everything. And with this card, this is what I'm with this reflection also, that you have to give this a time. If your soulmate is not here, then you have to just give it some time. You have to be little patient. I know now, hearing about patience and stuff, but I think you have to be little patience. Keep a little patience, and have to be little patient, because I think the cycle is already turned, and nothing can stop it. So here also I've seen something that just called out to me, something about surrender. I'm hearing this, surrender. You have to surrender. I've got this also, soulmate. See, your soulmate is already with you in the spirit form. This is why you are being called out. Okay, now I get it. They are already in this spirit form, and believe this. I think they are not believing it, or you are not believing it. But this reading is a sign that you have to believe that your soulmate is already with you in this spirit form, and they will manifest physically. I think not much time left. Again, within 1 year, if you are of the age, if you're 28 something, or I think with if you're 24 to 28, it will happen within 1 year only. Because I'm getting this also, this I just from another deck I got this card, navigating by the stars, follow your bliss. So stars are also helping you. You have to just calm down for a moment. You have to surrender for a moment. See, surrender card. This is what I'm talking about. Surrender. I saw surrender, and this is what I'm thinking, that you guys have to surrender. You have to surrender at first the old, before something new can enter our lives. Let go, and all will work out, because it's gonna work out. And there are a few more things that I saw with the surrender. New beginnings. We also got new beginnings, and we got surrender also in some or other form. We got divinely protected. We got everything is in your favor. I think this whole universe is inspiring, and they're just working in your favor. Those cycles have already turned, and I think this will happen very quickly. Earlier than you think, and for some of you it's sooner than you think. In like 6 to 8 months it will happen. So your soul, but because your soulmate is already there, they are there in your spirit form, and they are actually looking at you. I think what I'm saying is somebody is watching you. That song, somebody's watching me. I think it's them. They are watching you. Or maybe it's your angel. Your angel is watching you. Somebody is watching you. And discovering the truth. Okay, so you will discover the truth about it, and it will happen very, very soon. Okay, it's just putting me into a very great mood, very romantic mood. It just, if you could see me right now, there is a smile. I'm grinning from ear to ear. I don't know who you are, but your energy right now, when you're watching this reading, it's very calm, very healing. It's like, this. I just got the card, Mystic Healer. So it's like this. I think people around you feel that also. That, there is something about you, the healing quality. It just healing energy flows through you. There is something divine protecting you, and there is something divine about you. This this image, someone who is very much in touch with universe, with themselves, manifesting, doing affirmations, calling out their soulmate, feeling their soulmate, and that sees. Okay, if you can see this here, notice here, there is an owl. Somebody is watching. Who is watching you? Who is watching you? You have to tell me. I want you to comment everything. What are you feeling when I'm doing this reading? What are you actually feeling? Just write it down. Or drop 1111. It's a twin flame energy to call your soulmate to you. And we will take one more card. Yeah, I think I should take one more card. Wait. Okay, surrender and wait, one and the same thing for you. Don't rush into this. Allow nature to take its course. See, it's happening for you. You don't have to do anything. You just have to be your divine self. You just have to be calm. You just have to be, you. You just have to be you, so that, things can happen in your favor, right? You guys are such amazing people. I think with you, I found my soul family. So, my soul family, I have a request. Please subscribe and, flow your healing energy. I want some of it. So, please subscribe, like, comment, and give your healing energy to me also, because I could use it. See, your one subscribe, your one like, your one comment will make me, not just make me feel, better, but, I can create more videos for you. I can improve quality and bring the readings whatever you guys want. So I want you to do this also. Do me a favor and please write what all readings you want to see. Maybe a third party situation, maybe breakup, maybe emotional, maybe physical appearance of your future spouse, maybe love messages from your future spouse, maybe something about your crush, maybe about your boss. Anything and everything, nothing is off the limits. Do let me know. And thanks a lot for tuning in. I want you to practice this gratitude towards universe also. Tonight, when you sleep, say thank you, universe, for this reading. Say thank you, universe, for your soulmate. Say thank you, universe, for each and everything. Say thanks to your own angel. And I hope you just stay protected, stay loved, and keep rocking, keep shining, keep coming back. I love you all. This is Mao signing off. Bye bye.